Hello everyone, this is the 19 GS machine. Now I will introduce the new model machines with a 4-color extrusion line for the 3D printer filament machine. For this machine, you can use one extruder to produce the one single color, and also you can produce the 2 colors, 3 colors and 4 colors by one line together. So, if you need the machine similar like this, welcome to contact us. You can have a look, there have 4 extruders here. You can run 1, 2, 3, 4, any machine you can choose. And if you run all the machine together, you will get the different multiple color by the extruder. Then after the printing, the products will have the different color. That will be more beautiful. Now we're running the silk material. It's shiny and with the different colors like this. If you cut, then you will see the cross section. That will be a different color by the cross section. So, if you need the related machine, welcome to let us know. We can also produce the rainbow color, multiple color, high-speed extruder. You can have a look of all the orders is full in our workshop. So if you are this kind of the requirement, welcome to contact us. We'll be here and waiting for you. See you next video.